We made it, guys. Sheesh. Yeah. Made it. Shiraz. Shiraz.
There, 39.
Ayan guys,
39 kilometers.
39 kilometers in almost 3 hours.
40
kilometers
plus 40 kilometers, 80
80
kilometers.
80 all in all.
Jesus Christ, fast is life.
That's 3 hours.
Oh, it's only 30.
Nice one. So pahinga muna guys, tapos balik na. See you guys later. So yun guys, baba tayo konti kasi may pag-inuman dun. Oo na talaga ako. Ano yun? 40 kilometers, not bad. Pero ito kasi bilis malobat. So yun guys, wait lang, baba muna tayo. Tapos wala pang pero sis. Bigat ang puta. Naka-primera pa ako. Ang bigat pa rin. Ayun guys, may paglaruan. Sayang hindi tayo makalaro. Tipid-tipid baterya. Guys, angas, may ganito pa sila. Sa mismong bike trail, may bike repair station. Sheesh. Sana sa Pilipinas din. Shit. Gagi. You okay? You good? You good? Sheesh. You alright?
Yeah.
All good.
I think.
Sheesh.
Bro, those ones are scary.
Which one?
Too fucking high. The ones at the end. At the corner.
Miko, can I try your bike?
Mama.
Ay shit, ngamsi ka nga eh. No more? No bleedings?
No.
Ay shit, natamaan man nun iso.
It's fine.
It's fine? Yeah, right. Yeah, you right.
Kailangan?
Try natin guys. Recording good. Try ulit natin guys. Saan yung nakakatakot? Walang play yung suspension. Ito daw. Oh no! Sorry Miko. It's alright. Woohoo! 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 He's alright.
He's alright.
He's alright.
No baby.
Ayan guys, tapos na, finish line. Let's go back. Balik na tayo. So, coast to Vines. Not bad. Ayan guys, balik na tayo sa pinagparkan. Stop over kami dun sa gas station. Try namin kung ma-charge namin tong battery. Tapos siguro tambay dun mga 1 hour. Tapos ayun, balik na sa pinagparkingan. So Enjoy guys. Sana kayanin ng baterya natin. Kayaan. Coast to Vines. Sabay na sub-sub, no? Content. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako, pero sana naririnig niyo ako. Angas, Oscar opening all the dining, lunch, dinner. Dining, lunch, dinner. Hell yeah. Good, beautiful. So yun guys, dito kami sa checkpoint number 2. Dito tayo sa Shell. May nakita kasi tayong, nung last na punta namin, may outlet kami nakita dito. Kaya pinuntahan namin para tignan, para may charge natin at least 1 bar. Cheers. I'll go check it out. So yun guys, wala kami nahanap na outlet, kaya i-push namin kung saan, hanggang saan tayo makarating. Tapos pinaplano ni Miko na mag-train na lang kami. Kaya baka mag-train na lang kami sa content natin, pakita natin ano itsura ng train dito. First time ko sasakay ng train, first time niya rin. So yun guys, content ko yung train. First time ko sasakay ng train. Sa mga nanonood na di pa nakasakay ng train, unless MRT, pwede, pero train ng Australia. Ayan, check natin. See you guys later. You gotta use what you have. Ayan, 3 bars, malayo pa yan. No. Left and then left.
40 minutes and on the other side. There waste down here. Yeah, we did go for some.
We're here guys. Waiting kami sa train. 1 bar.
I have to push this guy, now I have to push him like fully locked in. And... Oh my god.
So balikan ko kayo mamaya guys pagdating ng train. Sana all.
I feel lonely.
This is hard though. This is too heavy.
Tamas guys.
Yes, and ski.
Ready na tayo guys. Next stop, dun na tayo bababa. On the 8-mile type of train. Sheesh. Angas. So yun lang guys. Coast to Vines bike adventures. Going back. Hindi namin na bike pabalik kasi yun, lowbat na to. Tapos nakita niya naman yung trail. So yun guys, nakabalik na tayo. Next stop, Miko, where are we going again?
Uncle Doc's.
Uncle Doc's.
Jollibee ng Australia.
Jollibee ng Australia.
South lang, South.
Yun.
South Australia.
So yun guys, ayos muna kami. BRB, hold it back. Yun guys, tapos na.
Every time he goes.
Go kami Glenelg, gusto ba?
Glenelg, Uncle Doc's, let's go.
Uncle Doc's, tapos para daw siyang inasal at Jollibee na only gravy.
Only rice.
Only rice din. So yun guys, Uncle Doc's, here we come. Dito tayo Glenelg guys. Glenelg. Pupunta tayo dun sa sinasabing kainan ni Brother Miko. Dungis ko nakit. Dungis namin guys. Dungis namin ni Miko. Kat niya may garud. Awesome. Pink in beauty. Hey. Tutok ko sa mukha ko guys para di nila sabihin na binibidyoan ko sila. Baka magreklamo pa eh. Bahud. Yeah. Bahud. Daming tao. Sheesh. Bodo kung Uncle Doc. Yeah. Filipino owned restaurant sa Glenelg. Uncle Doc's. So dito muna tayo kakain guys. Dito na rin yung dinner natin. Then after nito, lakad-lakad siguro konti tapos uwi natin kami. Tapos syempre pag uwi, matik. Edit, hindi, ligo muna, edit, then yun. Yes sir, the grind is real. Inaantay lang namin sila Adam at Francis. So yun guys, tagabantay ako ng upuan. Ano kayo babantayan ko? Babaliw-baliwan ako para walang lumapit.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
busy town pala dito guys, oh. Mas busy pa, hindi naman. Kasing busy ng city. So yun guys, so order na si Miko. Antayin na lang natin. Tagabantay muna tayo ng pag-uupuan natin. Let's G! Kain-kain. Guys, subscribe na kayo. Talagang gusto nyong manatili sa 69 subscribers. 69. Wala din mag-focus. Guys, subscribe na. 69 curse. Yun guys, dito na sila Adam. Sa loob tayo po.
You want the side?
Hi.
Should I take you, Francis?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More or less.
Look at that. Not bad. But so yun guys, Uncle Doc's 10 out of 10 pero not healthy, pero 10 out of 10 kung Filipino ka at nandito ka sa South Australia. Sheesh. Oh sorry ba. Ayun guys, Uncle Doc's, di ko alam kung saan yung anong address to, pero basta Glenelg sabi ni Miko. Malapit siya sa Mosley Street ba to? Ayan. Ayan guys, Filipinong Filipino, busog talaga, only rice, only gravy, all good. So ang plano guys, pupunta sa bahay ni Miko, diretso sa bahay ni Miko, then G. Yun lang guys, Glenelg. Dito na tayo sa hood ni Miko guys.
Yeah,
100,000
how to fix this thing.
So yun guys, dito tayo kay Miko.
Nah, it's good. It's good as it is.
Dito ka yung office na.
It's good as it is.
Soon I'm selling coffee.
Oh shit! You made it?
Yeah.
Ganda, nice.
Actual base.
So this is from the Philippines, La Trinidad, and then Tublay Coffee.
Nice.
I'm still making my logo and then some certain things, and then I'll try to.
Nice, nice.
It's a coffee.
Very nice.
So this is like very easy. You just like open it, and then you get some hot water, and then you just like drip it in the hot water. So you got instant long black. Yeah, something like that.
Businessman pala si ano eh.
Here's an example.
Bro
of the
Miko eh.
bean. It's really come from strong. This one is a bit strong.
Buy some.
Buy some.
Buy some.
So
Sheesh. Guys, oh.
yeah, man.
DJI Osmo. Best vlogging cameras 2024.
Meron na rin siyang built-in na. Ano ito? Anong tawag
Oh shit,
dito?
may built-in mic.
Oh yes,
Bluetooth
mic.
mic. Fuck.
Bluetooth mic.
Yung set?
Yeah, all
Portable
set.
set?
All set.
1.3 guys. So,
Oh,
convert nyo na lang.
Tada!
Osmo. May mic ka na. Angasin pang content guys.
One good thing.
Oh
May
shit!
face tracker siya. So anywhere you go, we will
Wait,
follow.
Ano guys? Napaya yung GoPro ko ah. Hindi, may face tracker din sa akin. Guys, tignan nyo.
May face track siya.
Lupit. Kakaigno, gimbal. Very good.
I just don't know how to use it on like while biking.
Damn, bro. Adapay blur na. Background blur. GoPro, wait, ano na? Baka new investment natin, guys. Ang lip po. Ganyan ko lang hawakan. Sheesh.
Well, it's just that.
May bago na naman tayong kagamitan sa wishlist natin. Osmo. DJI. Ngayon. Galak garad para kang darich. Kan Jordan. Let's get takeouts for the homeboys. Pakabait ni Boss Miko.
Soon, let's make a vlog here. Cooking
Oh shit, yeah. When ah?
with Jordan.
Yes.
Kasi ni JR with the middle last year.
Jiak.
We've been cooking. Hindi ka taon tayo video nga marigatan kami.
Oh shit, sakto. Yes.
The calling is here.
I'm here for a reason. Believe bakit Jeff? That you know.
Is that enough for them?
Tanong Tagalog ng generosity. Generous.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Napaka-generous mo, Sir Miko. Salamat po.
There for them.
Thank you, bro. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Next time, manen. Hello, guys. So, ayan. Nakauwi na din kami, guys. Ayan, sana na-enjoy nyo yung video. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung content ngayon. Ayun lang, guys. Subscribe for more, like, comment, share nyo po to. Paramihin pa natin yung subscribers natin, guys. Salamat sa panonood. Salamat sa pagsama. Sa ulitin. Bye-bye. Bang.